Page 2, number 5. Which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? We have 3 times 2x plus 1 times 4x plus 1. The long way of doing this is to go ahead and start and just do the math. In other words, factoring out all of these. So we have here 3 times another factor, and remember that we've multiply 2 factors at a time. So let's go ahead and do these two over here. I'm going to go ahead and show you tabular method, 2x plus 1 and 4x plus 1. I'm going to do this quickly. 2x times 4x is 8. X times x is x squared. 2x times 1 is 2x. 1 times 4x is 4x. 1 times 1, both positive, is 1. All together, this comes out to be 8x squared, 6x, and 1. In other words, 8x squared plus 6x plus 1 all in one line. So that's going to go ahead and be what these two factors are equal to. 8x squared plus 6x plus 1. Now recall that we have to factor or distribute this 3. So 3 times 8 is 24, x squared. 3 times 6 is 18x. 3 times 1 is 3. So that goes to show already the answer here is C. Now I want to go ahead and go over a shortcut of how you could have done this, especially on the SAT, in a much quicker method. If you take a look at your answer options here, you notice that we have 1 term, 2 terms, 3 terms, and 2 terms. And first, we see here that we have first degree terms, 2x and 4x. And if you multiply those two, because of the x's in both of them, you should have an x squared. Immediately looking over here, that eliminates a. You cannot choose a, there's no x squared term, there's no second degree term. Right? So we take a look at the others. We have here x squared, and x squared. If I do 2 times 4, that's 8x. But we also have the 3 here, so 2x times 4x is 8x squared, times the 3 is 24x squared. So that already eliminates D, because this is 18x squared. So between B and C, we have to decide if there's going to be a middle term or not. Just to see where this 3 is coming from, we have 1 times 1 here, which is 1 times 3. So they both could still work. And then maybe with a little bit of math, you can see whether or not this 18x would make a difference or not. You can do that on your own, but that's already a way to eliminate 2 answers, and you are left with a 50-50% chance to choose between B or C. And you won't have to spend as much time doing all this work if you know that you just have to figure out what is this middle term going to be over here. And I hope that's helpful.